Hello students. So in this video we are going to discuss the solutions for grand test. Grand test का जो पेपर हुआ आपका उसके solutions. So let's start. So question number 1 says the decimal representation of 27 by 400. So 27 by 400 का decimal representation पूछा हमें. So to answer this what we would see is हम denominator को देखेंगे. तो denominator यहाँ पे कितना 400 और 400 को अगर हम 2 की पावर और 5 की पावर में अगर एक्सप्रेस कर पाएंगे तो व्हाट वी वुड से इज कि जो डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है दैट इज अ टर्मिनेटिंग वन. तो 400 को हम लिख सकते हैं 4 into 100 और बेसिकली वी कैन राइट दिस एज 25 into 4 that is 100 and into 4. So this is nothing but 5 square into 2 square to 2 to the power of 4. So we can see that denominator को हम 2 की power of something and 5 to the power of something में express कर सकते हैं. So therefore the decimal expansion has to be terminating. और अगर नहीं कर सकते तो then it would be non-terminating and recurring. So terminating. So this is the answer. Then let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says Euclid's division lemma state that for any positive integer a and b there exist integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r where r must satisfy. So r is what over here? R is nothing but the remainder. तो रिमाइंडर क्या होना चाहिए हमेशा? रिमाइंडर या तो जीरो हो सकता है या तो डिवाइजर से हमेशा छोटा होगा. सो जो रिमाइंडर होता है हमेशा इन द डिवीजन प्रोसेस दैट इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू जीरो और लेस देन द डिवाइजर. सो विच इज द डिवाइजर? b. So this should be my answer. That is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Then let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 says if 2 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial then find the values of k and m. So zeros of the polynomial दे रखा है हमें. So let's say the polynomial is fx is equal to 3x square plus minus 2kx प्लस 2m. राइट. सो जीरोस का मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर हम इसमें x इक्वल टू 2 पुट करेंगे तो वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल विल बी 0. सो f2 इक्वल टू 0. सो व्हाट डू आई गेट? 4 into 3. दिस इज 3 into 4 माइनस 4k yes and plus 2m इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस इज 12. तो 2 एंड यहाँ से 2 कैंसल. सो वी गेट m minus 2k is equal to minus 6, the first equation. फिर हमें ये भी पता है कि 3 भी 0 है. So f of 3 will be also equal to 0. So this is 3 into 3 square minus 3 into 2 is 6, 6k plus 2m equal to 0. So this implies 9 into 3 is 27. So we get 2m minus 6k is equal to minus 27. तो इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को हमें सॉल्व करना है. सो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? वी कैन इजीली सी दैट कि अगर हम इक्वेशन 1 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो व्हाट डू वी गेट? 2m माइनस 4k माइनस 12. करेक्ट. नाउ लेट्स दिस इज इक्वेशन 3. तो अब 3 और 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. सो 3 माइनस 2 कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज माइनस 4k माइनस माइनस प्लस 6. दिस इज 2k इक्वल टू minus 12 and plus 27. So this implies the value of k is how much? 27 minus 12 is 15. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is the value of k. And what is the value of m? m के लिए हम equation 1 में चले जाते हैं. तो equation 1 implies m is equal to 2k minus 6. This is equal to. So this gives me m is equal to 2 into 15 by 2 minus 6. So m is equal to 15 minus 6 is 9. So which is my correct option? Option B should be the correct answer. Option B. Then next question number 4. Question number 4 में क्या लिखा हुआ है? If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial, then 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta minus alpha beta. Okay, so let's say the polynomial is fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 1 or the equation whatever we want to say. So यहाँ पे sum of the roots क्या होता है और sum of the zeros क्या होता है, alpha plus beta is equals to minus times of b by a. So minus times of b की value minus 4 upon coefficient of x square is 1. So this implies alpha plus beta is equals to 4. Then alpha beta कितना हो जाएगा, c by a 1. Correct. Now what we are supposed to find is 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta minus alpha beta. So this is equal to alpha plus beta LCM ले लिया हमने and alpha beta minus alpha beta. Now we know everything. Alpha plus beta 4 upon 1 minus 1 which is equal to 3. So the correct answer is 3, which is option A. Fine. Then question number 5. Question number 5 is the difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 27. What is the difference between the 2 digits of the number? Okay, so 2-digit number बोला, so we'll say that let the units 2-digit number के लिए units and tens place चाहिए हमें, हमने बोल दिया let the units and tens place of the number be x and y. Okay, so जो 2-digit number होगा, what would be that? 2-digit number is equal to units place पे x है and tens place पे y है, so 10y plus x है ना. So 2-digit number after replacing the digits, 2-digit number after replacing or interchanging, not replacing, interchanging, we have to say after interchanging digits. ये किसके इक्वल होगा? After interchanging the digits, this would be equal to tens place अब क्या हो जाएगा? Tens place would be x and units place would be y. So this would be 10x plus y. ठीक है. And what does the question says? The difference between the 2-digit number, that is 10y plus x, and the number obtained by interchanging the digits, that is minus times of 10x plus y. This is how much? This is equal to 27. So this is very easy now. तो यहाँ से 10y minus y करोगे तो कितना आएगा? 9y. x minus 10x is minus 9x is equal to 27. So this implies y minus x is how much? 27 by 9. So y minus x is 3. So 3 is the answer. हमें difference between the 2 digits of the number पूछा है, तो digits के बीच का difference जो दिख रहा है हमें, that has to be 3, right? y minus x बोलो या x minus y बोलो, so that should not be a confusion. हमें सिर्फ difference पूछा है, तो difference हमेशा हम positive में बताते हैं. Difference cannot be negative. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. So question number 6 is match the column. So हमें साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन गिवन है और हमें बताना है कि नो सॉल्यूशन, यूनिक सॉल्यूशन और इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा. तो फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ इक्वेशंस को देखेंगे, तो दैट इज 2x plus 5y equal to 10. देन वी हैव 3x plus 4y equal to 7. तो हम इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? विल सी द रेशियो ऑफ द कोएफिशिएंट्स. तो 2/3 रेशियो ऑफ द कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 5/4. ये मतलब इक्वल नहीं है, and this is not equal to 10/7. So ये किसकी कंडीशन होती है? This is the condition for unique solution. So इसका मतलब this set of equation is having unique solution. Fine. Now let's come to second system of equation कितना है? 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. Then we have 6x plus 15y equal to 20. तो यहाँ से मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? यहाँ से मिल रहा है कि 2/6 is equal to 5/15 is equal to 10/20. तो दिस इज 2 1 जा 3 जा 5 1 जा 5 3 जा, दिस इज 1 and 2. तो ये रेशो इक्वल नहीं है, बट a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, which is not equal to c1 upon c2. So this is the condition for, you should understand, parallel lines की condition होती है ये, and parallel lines का मतलब हुआ no solution, right? No solution होगा. So this system of equation will have no solution. And third, क्या दे रखा है हमें, 5x plus 2y equal to 10, then 10x plus 4y equal to 20. What does this imply? ये दिख रहा है हमें कि 5 upon 10 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 10 upon 2, sorry 20. So this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So इसका मतलब what we are getting, तीनों ratios equal है, a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So infinitely many solution. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer has to be A, C, B. So option C. Option C is the correct answer. Then let's go to question number 7. Question number 7 says, given that 3 sin beta plus 5 cos beta is equal to 5, then the value of 3 cos beta minus 5 sin beta whole square is equal to, okay. तो उसकी वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमें इसको स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा, राइट. सो इफ आई स्क्वायर दिस बोथ साइड, सो आई गेट 3 sin beta होल स्क्वायर प्लस, ये आ जाएगा 3 sin beta प्लस 5 cos beta का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर. So this is 9 sin square beta plus 30 sin beta cos beta plus 25 cos beta square. This is equal to 25. Now जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, that is 3 cos beta minus 5 sin beta का होल स्क्वायर. तो we have 3 sin beta, sorry 3 sin beta नहीं, 3 cos beta minus 5 sin beta whole square. तो what we would do is, हम इसको t बोल देते हैं. Let's call this as t. तो मुझे क्या मिल रहा है, इसको एक्सपांड करेंगे तो 9 cos square beta minus 30 sin beta cos beta plus 25 sin square beta is equal to t square. So let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2, right? अब हमें t निकालना है बेसिकली, तो हम क्या कर देते हैं, इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को ऐड कर देंगे. वाई? बिकॉज मुझे दिख रहा है ये 9 sin स्क्वायर और 9 cos स्क्वायर, इनको ऐड करेंगे तो 9 क्रिएट होगा, यहाँ से 25 क्रिएट हो गया, एंड दिस वुड बी कैंसल्ड आउट. सो इक्वेशन 1 प्लस 2 शुड गिव मी माई आंसर. तो ये आ जाएगा 9 प्लस 25 इज इक्वल टू 25 प्लस टी स्क्वायर. 25 से 25 गया, सो टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 9. सो टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 9 इम्प्लाइज, मुझे बेसिकली टी स्क्वायर ही चाहिए था, करेक्ट. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड, आई वॉन्ट टी स्क्वायर ओनली, सो दिस इज माई आंसर, है ना. सो विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पे इसको ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि इसको हम t बोल देते हैं. सो जो स्क्वायर करने के बाद आएगा वो मुझे कैलकुलेट करना था. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, द वैल्यू ऑफ tan 5, tan 10, tan 15 अप टू tan 85. ओके, तो ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल से हो जाएगा. tan 5 डिग्री, then tan 10 degree I won't write, tan 15 degree, everything is in multiplication. tan 20 degree, अब इसको लिखते जाओगे सारे टर्म्स को, तो बीच में tan 40 आएगा, फिर tan 45 आएगा, फिर tan 50 आएगा, एंड इसी तरह से आगे जाएंगे तो देयर वुड बी सेकंड लास्ट टर्म tan 80 होगा एंड tan 85 होगा। ठीक है, अब तुम देखो कि 5 और इस टर्म को देखे 85 को, तो इनको ऐड करेंगे तो 90 क्रिएट होगा, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स है, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं tan 5 देन tan 10 अप टू tan 40 को लिख लेते हैं। चलो tan 40 को ऐसे ही रहने दिया। tan 45 इज 1 इंटू ये tan 50 लिखा हुआ है, tan 50 को लिख लेते हैं cot या tan 90 माइनस 40। ठीक है, एंड इंटू यहाँ पे आ जाएगा tan 80 विच इज नथिंग बट tan ऑफ 90 माइनस 10 एंड लास्ट टर्म tan of 90 minus 5. So this is tan 5 into tan 10 into tan 40 into 1 into tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot 40 into ये आते जाएगा into this is cot 80, sorry cot 10 not 80, cot 10 आएगा। tan 90 minus theta होता है cot theta into cot 5। तो tan into cot क्या होता है 1। so as you can see now कि everything is going to be equal to 1, मतलब tan 5 into cot 5 1 हो जाएगा, tan 10 into cot 10 1 हो जाएगा, बीच में 1 है, tan 40 into cot 40 1 हो जाएगा। so answer would be 1, option A। चलो then question number 9। question number 9 says in the given figure ABCD is trapezium in which AB is parallel to EF is parallel to DC, then the length of AE। तो AE का लेंथ मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है। ओके, दिस इज A, दिस इज B, दिस इज C, दिस इज D और ये आ जाएगा E एंड F। सो दिस इज 9 2 4। So here we have been given that these three lines are parallel. So we can apply the basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem. So to apply that, we'll join first AC. So this is intersection point, let's call this as O. Now this line and this line is parallel. So by BPT, we can say that OA upon OC is equal to BF upon FC. This is coming from BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So we get OA upon OC is equals to 2 upon 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now same thing we can apply in this triangle, which is triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, we know that OE is parallel to CD, which implies AE upon AD, we can write this is equal to AO upon AC. That is again coming from BPT, basic proportionality theorem, and this is 1:2 ratio. So this implies that AE upon 9 is equal to AO is 1 and upon AC that is 3. So we get AE is equal to 3. That is the answer. So the correct option should be option B. So B option is the correct answer. Then question number 10. Question number 10 says in the given figure DA is perpendicular to AB, CB is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to AB. If OA is equals to 5.4, OC is given, BO is given, we are supposed to find the length of DO. Okay, so we can use similarity. Now, so this is perpendicular. We can directly use the relation also that 1 upon AD is equals to plus 1 upon BC is equals to 1 upon OM. But what we would do is, since we know, what do we know is OA, which is 5.4, OC we know is 7.2, BO we know is 6, and DO is what we are supposed to find. Okay. Now these are perpendiculars. It is given in the question that AD is perpendicular to AB. I can easily observe that these two lines will be parallel, and since these two lines are parallel, I can say that these two angles will be equal, alternate interior angles. So the two triangles over here, that is triangle OAD, is similar to triangle OCB, correct? Because this angle is equal and these two are also equal. So if this is the case, I can write OA upon OC is equal to OD upon OB. So OA is how much? 5.4 divided by OC 7.2. OD is equals to, we are supposed to find, and OB is 6. So OD is equal to 6 into 5.4 upon 7.2. So 18 3s are 18 4s are. So we get OD is equals to 2 2s are and 2 3s are 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5. So the correct option is option A. This is the answer, option A. Then question number 11. Question number 11 says, in the given figure, AD is perpendicular to BC, BD is equals to 1 by third of CD, and we are given that K times of this is equals to BC square, constant K is. Let's draw the figure. A, B, C. This is perpendicular D. Now it is been told that BD is 1/3 of CD. Okay. And we were supposed to find K. Okay. So first of all, what we can do is, we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So in triangle ABD, if I apply the Pythagoras, it has to be AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Then in triangle ACD, what do I have? Hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now if I look at the expression where I am supposed to find K, I want CA square minus AB square. So 2 minus 1. That will create CA square minus AB square. So AC square minus AB square is equal to AD square will get cancelled. So this will be DC square minus BD square. Now we know that BD is equals to 1/3 of AC. We also know that if I write BC, that is equal to BD plus DC. So what is DC over here? DC is 3 times of BD. So this is 4 times of BD. Correct? Because DC I can substitute 3 times of BD. So 4 times of BD. So BD square is nothing but BC square by 4. So here same thing I can apply, that DC is nothing but 3 times of BD. So that is 9 BD square minus BD square, which is equals to 8 BD square, and BD square is how much? BC by 4. So this has to be 8 into BC by 4 whole square. So this is 8 into BC square by 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So we get 2 times of AC square minus AB square is equals to BC square. So the value of K we are getting is 2. Therefore K is equal to 2 is the answer. Answer, which is option C. Then next, question number 12. The median of the observations given over here, arranged in ascending order, is 24. Find the value of x. Okay. So I can see that the observations to be arranged in ascending order itself. So this is 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, then 30, 32, 35 and 41. Now for median, we want the middlemost observations. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 observation means the middlemost observations would be 2. So we'll take mean of that. So which are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6. So these two observations, mean we will take, mean of these two observations will be equal to median. So therefore median is equal to mean of x plus 2 and x plus 4. And how much is the median? That is 24 is equal to x plus 2 plus x plus 4 by 2. So we get 48 is equal to 2x plus 6. So we get 2x is equals to 42, which implies x is equals to 21. Answer option B. Then question number 30. So 13 says ui is equal to xi minus 20 by 10 summation of fi ui is equal to 30 and summation fi is equal to 40. Then the value of x bar. We are supposed to find x bar. So from step deviation method we know that this x bar will be equal to a, that is assumed mean, plus h into summation fi ui upon summation fi, right? So h will be over here 10, we can see that over here, and assumed mean is 20. So this x bar will be equal to 20 plus 10 into 30 by 40. So this is equal to now x bar equal to 20 plus 2 and 15, 7.5, 15 by 2. So x bar will be equal to how much? 27.5. That is the answer. So option D is the correct answer. Then moving on to the next, that is question number 14. 14 says solve for x where x 3 to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 to the power of minus x is equal to 10. So to solve this, we can solve this by substitution. So 3 की power x को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? This is 3 to the power of x plus 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power of x into 3 square plus 3 to the power of minus x is 1 upon 3 to the power of x is equal to 10. So this is, now we can write this as 9 into 3 to the power of x plus 1 upon 3 to the power of x is equal to 10. Let's assume 3 to the power of x as equal to t. So if I do that, this equation changes to 90 plus 1 upon t is equal to 10. So I get 90 square plus 1 is equal to 10 times of t. So this is 90 square minus 10t plus 1 equal to 0. So this is, we can factorize 90 square minus 90 minus t plus 1 equal to 0. So we can take 90 common from here. So 90 into 9, not 9, it has to be only t. So t minus 1, and from here we can take minus 1 common, t minus 1 equal to 0. So t minus 1 into 90 minus 1 equal to 0. So this implies t is equals to 1 or t equal to 1 upon 9. Now what was t? T was 3 to the power of x. So we will write 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 or 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 upon 9. We can write 9 to the power of minus 1, that is 3 to the power of minus 2. So x will be equal to 0 or x will be equal to minus 2. This is the answer. So minus 2 comma 0, I can see option A. Option A is the correct answer. चलो then next question पे आते हैं, that is question number 15. It says the quadratic equation has, so quadratic equation क्या है, x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. इसका d कैलकुलेट कर लो. So discriminant d is minus b square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 3, that is 25 minus 12, which is 13 greater than 0. So if the quadratic equation is having d greater than 0, discriminant greater than 0, इसका मतलब उसके रूट्स क्या होंगे, real and distinct. So therefore two real and distinct roots. So two real and distinct roots का मतलब option B is the correct answer. Question number 16. It says the sum of the p terms of an AP is q and the sum of q terms of an AP is p, then the sum of p plus q terms. Okay, so sum of p terms is equal to q and sum of q terms is equal to p. Now sum of p terms of an AP, so p by 2 into, let's say the first term is a, so 2a plus p minus 1 into common difference d. This is equal to q. Here we will get q by 2, q terms का सम है, और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2a plus n minus 1 मतलब q minus 1 into d is equal to p. Now let's simplify this. इसको simplify करेंगे तो what we are getting, we would get p times of 2a plus p into p minus 1 into d is equal to 2q, right? और यहाँ जाएगा 2aq plus q into q minus 1 into d is equal to 2p. Fine. Now let's subtract these two equations, 1 and 2. If I subtract this 1 minus 2, what do I get? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को देखेंगे 2pa and 2aq. सो 2a कॉमन ले लिया मैंने, तो दिस विल बी p माइनस q, देन प्लस यहाँ से और यहाँ से अगर d को कॉमन ले लिया तो दिस हैज टू बी p स्क्वायर माइनस p प्लस q स्क्वायर, नॉट प्लस माइनस, माय मिस्टेक, माइनस q स्क्वायर एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस q टाइम्स ऑफ d. दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स ऑफ q माइनस p. ठीक है, सो दिस इज 2a इंटू p माइनस क्यू प्लस यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि p स्क्वायर और माइनस क्यू स्क्वायर, तो इसको फैक्टराइज फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. बेसिकली व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, चलो लिख लेते हैं एक स्टेप, p माइनस क्यू इंटू p प्लस क्यू, एंड फ्रॉम these two terms we can take minus sign common, so that is p minus q into d is equal to 2 times of q minus p. ओके चलो, सो नाउ हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 2a प्लस, एक काम कर लिया हमने, p माइनस क्यू को कॉमन ले लिया, राइट, प्लस यहाँ पे p प्लस क्यू आएगा एंड दिस इज माइनस 1 इंटू d इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स ऑफ, माइनस साइन कॉमन लेने पे दिस इज माइनस p माइनस क्यू. सो ये और ये कैंसल, दिस कैनॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. So we are finally getting 2a times of 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to minus 2. Correct. So now if I simplify this, मतलब हमें निकालना क्या है, sum of p plus q terms. So sum of p plus q terms, that is equal to p plus q by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So p plus q minus 1 into d. So that is equal to minus 2. दिख रहा है हमें यहाँ पे, ये ब्रैकेट तो minus 2 है, So this is p plus q by 2 into minus 2. So 2 से cancel. Finally minus p plus q. So minus p plus q, option D is the correct answer. Option D. Then next, question number 70. Jasleen saved ₹5 in the first week of the year and then increased her weekly savings by ₹1.75 each week. In what week will her weekly savings be ₹20.75? Okay. So first week में कितना सेव किया? She has saved ₹5. And in the subsequent weeks, हर week में increment कितने का किया savings में? 1.75 का. So this has to be 5 plus 1.75. Then again this term 5.1.75 plus 1.75. तो दिख रहा है easily क्या ये AP फॉर्म करेगा एक. ठीक है. So that is 5. Then 5 plus इसको हम D बोल देते हैं. Then 5 plus 2D, 5 plus 3D and so on. Where D is how much? 1.75. ठीक है. And this is first week का savings. This is second week, third week and so on. So now what we are supposed to find is कि in what week her weekly savings be ₹20.75. तो let's say in the nth week her total savings is 20.75. तो sum दे रखा है हमें. तो Sn is given to us as 20.75 and we are supposed to find n. So Sn किसके इक्वल होता है? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 20.75. So this is n by 2 into a is how much? First term, that is 5. So 10 plus n minus 1 into d is 1.75. This is equal to 20.75. So यहाँ से मिलेगा n into 10 plus 1.75 n minus 1.75 is equal to 20.75 into 2 कर देते हैं. So this is 41.5. तो यहाँ आ जाएगा 10n plus 1.75 n square minus 1.75 n is equal to 41.5. So we get 1.75 n square minus 10 में से इसको subtract करेंगे 1.75 को, तो we should get 8.25 n minus 41.5 equal to 0. तो ये डेसिमल में लिखा हुआ है तो इसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. 175 by 100 n square minus 825 by 100 n minus 415 by 10 equal to 0. 25 4s are 25 7s are 25 4s are and 25 3s are 75. फिर आएगा 5 7 3s are. यहाँ आ जाएगा 5 2s are 5 8s are 1 3s are. So what we are having is 7n square minus 33n और यहाँ पे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो this has to be 166 equal to 0. I think some kind of a calculation mistake. 10 plus, okay, D was 1.75. N by 2 into 2, so this is 41.5. Find 10n, 1.75 n square. So yes, I interpreted the question wrongly. The interpretation was कि 20.75 is not Sn but it has to be the nth term. कौन से वीक में इसकी सेविंग्स इतनी हो जाएगी? So this has to be Tn or nth term, whatever you want to call. Sum of the savings नहीं दे रखा था, so by mistake I assumed it to be savings. So let's remove this. So we have an, so then it becomes very easy. So we can write 20.75 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is 20.75 is equals to 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75. So this gives me 20.75 minus 5. If we do, that has to be 15.75 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So n minus 1 is equals to 15.75 upon 1.75. So we get n minus 1 is equal to, this decimal goes off, and I think this is 1575 by 175. इसको simplify करेंगे तो we get 25 sevens are 25 6 are 150, carry a 7 3 7 9s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 9 implies n is equal to 10. So in the 10th week her saving will be 20.75. So that is the answer. Option D I think should be the correct answer. Then moving forward to next question, which is question number 18. Question number 18 says, if P is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points Q and R, then the value of A is. So this is very easy. हमें Q and R दे रखा है and P is the midpoint. Q के points कितने हैं? -6, 5 and R is having the coordinates -2, 3. Then P is having the coordinate A by 3, 4. So using the midpoint formula, I can write A by 3, 4. That is coordinate of P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. So -6 minus 2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this gives A by 3, 4. This is equivalent to -6 minus 2 is -8 by 2 is -4, 4. So A by 3 is equals to -4, which implies A is equals to -12. A equal to -12 is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Then question number 19. It says, two steel sheets each of length A and breadth A2 are used to prepare the surface of two right circular cylinders, one having volume V1 and height A2 and the other having volume V2 and height A1. Then okay, so we have two sheets. First sheet का length कितना दे रखा है? A1 and breadth is A2. So surface of two right circular cylinders. So surface बनाने का मतलब क्या हुआ? It is nothing but the curved surface area. So we should understand that if the circular sheet, the metal sheet, steel sheet basically, it is of length A1 and A2. So if this is used to make the cylinder, so हमें दे रखा है कि जो पहला सिलेंडर है उसका वॉल्यूम कितना है V1 and height is A2. So अगर height A2 है, so for first cylinder I can say that कि अगर इसका height A2 है, so then A1 has to be equal to the circumference, right? Because इसी के along इसको roll किया होगा, so A1 will be equal to let's say 2 pi R1. So यहाँ से मुझे R1 कितना मिल रहा है? A1 upon 2 pi. Similarly, for second cylinder, height is how much? Height is A2. No, sorry, height is A1. So अगर height A1 है, तो जो circumference होगा, that will be equal to A2, which is equal to 2 pi R2, let's say. So यहाँ से R2 कितना आ जाएगा? A2 upon 2 pi. Now we know volume V1. तो अगर मैं V1 को लिखूँ, तो that is pi R square H होता है. So R1 square H1, right? So this is equals to pi into R1 कितना find out किया हमने? A1 upon 2 pi. So A1 upon 2 pi whole square into H1 कितना है? That is equal to A2 given height of the first cylinder. So this is pi into A1 square into A2 upon 4 pi square. ठीक है, तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो pi से pi cancel, A1 square A2 upon 4 pi. Similarly, if I calculate V2 will be equal to pi times of R2 square into H2. So this is equal to pi into R2 is how much? A2 upon 2 pi whole square into A1. Height is A1. So this is A2 square into A1 upon 4 pi square and यहाँ पे एक pi था. So this is pi से pi cancel तो A2 square A1 upon 4. So what do we get finally? तो अगर हम V1 upon V2 का रेशो निकाले तो V1 upon V2 let's calculate. V1 कितना आया? A1 square into A2 upon 4 pi divided by A2 square A1 upon 4 pi. राइट, यहाँ पे पाई होना चाहिए. सो यहाँ से मुझे दिख रहा है दैट V1 अपॉन V2 इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई कैंसिल, A1 से ये A1 कैंसिल, एक A2 से ये A2 कैंसिल, A2 अपॉन A1. सो आई कैन से दैट आफ्टर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस, अच्छा दिस शुड बी A1 है ना, ऊपर में ये A1 बचा था, दिस इज A2. सो A2 into V1 is equals to V2 into A1. You can see which is the correct option. I think option C should be correct. Then last question, question number 20. Question number 20 says the probability that a leap year selected will have 53 Sundays. Okay, so leap year means how many days? Leap year means 366 days. Correct. Now in this 366 days we'll have 52 weeks complete and plus 2 days. That will make us, give us 366, 52 into 7 plus 2. Now what we want is, हमें चाहिए कि leap year selected will have 53 Sundays. 53 Sundays होने के लिए 52 week में से 52 Sundays are confirmed. 52 Sundays over here. Right. So 53 Sundays होने के लिए we should have a Sunday over here. Now look at these 2 days, है ना, इनकी क्या क्या possibilities है. These 2 days it can be like Sunday and Monday. ठीक है, फिर हो सकता है Monday and Tuesday. Then it can be Tuesday and Wednesday. फिर हो सकता है Wednesday and Thursday. Any of these things can happen. Thursday and Friday, right? And Friday and Saturday हो सकता है. और क्या बचा? And finally last option, Saturday and Sunday. So ये 2 दिन के लिए, ये 2 दिन में what we want is a Sunday. So उसके लिए favorable is these 2 outcomes. एक तो first and one other is last one. So there are 7 possible outcomes, out of which 2 are favorable to us. So I can say that therefore required probability is equal to total 7 possibilities, out of which 2 are favorable. So 2 by 7 is my answer, and that is option B. Hopefully you understood all the solutions. Thank you.